Go to www.vitalquest360.com and open the login page. You'll see a pop-up to install our web application. Don't worry, it's a quick process, and once installed, you won't need to visit the website every time. You can instantly access your medical data through the app. After installation, open the app. It will ask for some basic personal information to create a better health summary for you. We'll move through this quickly to save your time. These simple questions help the app generate an accurate dashboard to track your health data. In log data, you can add your meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, according to your diet plan. If your preferred foods aren't listed, you can create custom options. You can also log your exercises, including custom workouts. And record vitals. Daily medications. Lifestyle logs. And medical records, all organized securely in one place. To access the weight loss journey, you'll need a subscription. You can pay in cash or by credit card to receive a coupon code, which you'll use to activate your membership. Inside the weight loss journey, you'll see a complete dashboard with summarized records for easy tracking of your health progress. In the Tools section, you'll find a built-in medical calculator for BMI and calorie intake, along with detailed insights on food databases. Finally, through VitalQuest 360 degrees, you can conveniently book an appointment with your preferred doctor in the Consult section.